The average new pickup truck today is failing before it hits 100,000 miles. It is not just bad luck, it is a systemic collapse of quality. If you are driving a 2026 model, you are sitting on a liability. But there are 7 older rigs still roaming our roads that will easily outlast anything coming off the assembly line today. Forget the marketing hype. Let us look at the 7 trucks that mechanics agree are built to survive when the modern stuff quits. Coming in at number 7, the 1990 to 1997 Mazda B Series. Back when these were rolling off the line, a truck was designed for work, not for showing off fancy infotainment screens that glitch out after 2 years. The Mazda B Series was built on a simple, rugged architecture that focused on one thing: getting the job done without complaining. While modern trucks are packed with fragile sensors and complex computer modules that practically require a degree in engineering to troubleshoot, this machine kept things strictly mechanical. It utilized a straightforward chassis and engine combination that was essentially bulletproof if you kept up with basic fluids. In today's market, we are forced to deal with thin sheet metal and plastics that crack under the sun. But this era of Japanese-engineered reliability meant high-grade steel and honest craftsmanship. You do not need a diagnostic scanner to figure out why this truck is still running after 3 decades. You just need basic tools and a bit of common sense. It is the perfect example of why the industry shifted away from true utility toward overpriced disposable technology. If you are tired of spending your weekends at the dealership service department, you need to understand why this simple setup is gaining so much respect again today. Stay tuned to see why the competition on this list gets even tougher. Coming in at number 6, the 1975 to 1991 Jeep J10. This was an era when a truck felt like a piece of heavy machinery, not a glorified luxury sedan with a bed. The J10 was built with a thick, robust frame and the legendary AMC 360 V8 engine, a power plant that focused on raw torque rather than the complicated electronic fuel injection systems that plague the modern trucks we see in showrooms today. Back then, Jeep prioritized pure off-road capability and legendary durability that could handle absolute abuse without breaking a sweat, a stark contrast to the pampered garage queens that dominate the market right now. You do not find that kind of heavy-duty, high-carbon steel used in light-duty pickups anymore, and you certainly do not find a layout this accessible to work on. It was a time when you could open the hood and actually see the motor, not a plastic cover hiding a mess of fragile wiring harnesses and vacuum lines. This truck represents a lost philosophy of American manufacturing, where longevity was the primary goal, not the modern trend of planned obsolescence, designed to make you trade in your vehicle every 3 years. Modern trucks are loaded with high-tech screens and safety nannies that fail just out of warranty, whereas the J10 is a testament to the fact that simple engineering is superior engineering. Every bolt on this chassis was meant to last for decades, not for the duration of a lease agreement. When you drive something like this, you feel the weight of quality that has been engineered out of every single pickup coming off the line in 2026. We are talking about a machine that stays on the road through grit and sheer mechanical brilliance, completely unfazed by the complex computer-controlled loops that are currently causing so much frustration for owners across the country. If you want to know what real build quality feels like compared to the hollow, overpriced shells they try to sell you today, pay close attention to how we move up to the next level of this list. Coming in at number 5, the 1990 to 1999 Mitsubishi Mighty Max. We are talking about an era when truck manufacturers did not feel the need to bloat their vehicles with unnecessary digital fluff to justify a massive price tag. The Mighty Max stands as a defiant reminder of a time when engineering focused on mechanical efficiency and structural integrity, rather than the fragile, overcomplicated sensor arrays that define the coolant generation of trucks. While today's market is obsessed with adding screens and interconnected systems that turn a simple pickup into a digital paperweight the moment a software update goes wrong, this truck operated on a purely mechanical level that any backyard mechanic could master in an afternoon. It utilized a proven high-torque engine architecture that was designed to be pushed to its limits day after day without the constant fear of a check engine light appearing for a trivial emission system error. You look at the body panels on these units, and you see real metal, not the thin, weight-saving alloys that dent if you look at them the wrong way. Which is exactly why so many of these are still holding together, while 2026 models are already showing signs of structural fatigue. It is the perfect embodiment of a tool designed to perform, not just to look good in a dealership parking lot or to serve as a rolling computer station. The reliability found here is not an accident. It is the direct result of a design philosophy that prioritized longevity over the hollow allure of modern creature comforts that eventually fail. If you are frustrated by the constant repairs and the headache of modern electronics, you really need to consider why these older platforms have gained such a massive, loyal following among those who refuse to buy into the modern hype. The gap between what we used to build and what we settle for now is getting wider by the day. So keep watching to see how the intensity of this list shifts as we get closer to the absolute legends.
Coming in at number 4, the 1980 to 1996 Ford Ranger. This was the golden age for the American small truck, a time when Ford understood that utility was not just a marketing slogan, but a requirement for the working man. While current trucks have evolved into bloated, oversized cruisers that struggle to navigate tight job sites and cost as much as a luxury sedan, the Ranger remained a focused, honest, and incredibly capable workhorse. It was built with a rigid frame and the legendary 2.3-liter or 2.9-liter power plants, engines that were designed to endure years of heavy hauling without the parasitic drag of complex, unreliable emission control systems that choke the life out of modern motors. You could literally feel the mechanical connection between the pedal and the road, a sharp contrast to the numb, fly-by-wire systems in today's pickups that interpret your input through a computer chip before actually responding. The craftsmanship inside the cab was minimalist because it did not need to hide anything.
It was built to be used, cleaned with a hose, and put back to work the next morning. In today's automotive landscape, we are constantly being sold the idea that more technology equals a better vehicle. But the enduring presence of these Rangers on the road proves that simplicity is the ultimate form of reliability. These trucks do not suffer from the electronic, sensor-driven identity crisis that turns your modern dashboard into a chaotic display of warning lights. Instead, they offer a driving experience defined by predictable performance and easy maintenance, making them an asset that actually grows in value as the modern competition crumbles. If you value a machine that respects your time and your wallet by refusing to break down, you need to see exactly why this platform remains the benchmark for durability in the compact segment. As we head into the top 3, the gap between these legends and the disposable trucks of 2026 becomes even more undeniable. So stay with us for the final heavy hitters.
Coming in at number 3, the 1980 to 1996 Ford F-150. This is the truck that defined the American landscape, built during a time when Ford prioritized heavy steel and the legendary 300 cubic inch inline-6 engine. This motor is widely considered one of the most reliable power plants ever conceived, offering low-end torque that modern turbocharged engines struggle to replicate without the help of a dozen sensors. While today's F-150 models are packed with high-cost, high-failure technology like complex air suspensions, digital dashboards, and powertrain control modules that can leave you stranded with a single bad line of code, this generation was purely mechanical. You could service the ignition, fuel system, and cooling layout with basic hand tools in your driveway.
The frame was over-engineered to handle decades of abuse, not the planned obsolescence we see in 2026, where frames are becoming thinner and body panels are increasingly made of lightweight, brittle materials. Owning one of these is about reclaiming your independence from the dealership service bay and the constant cycle of expensive, proprietary parts that fail just after the warranty expires. These trucks do not just work, they survive, proving that the obsession with adding touchscreens and self-driving features has only served to undermine the fundamental durability that made the F-Series a household name in the first place. If you are tired of the modern trend of buying a truck that functions more like a fragile computer than a tool of labor, it is time to look back at what real engineering looked like. The remaining 2 spots on our list are occupied by the undisputed kings of the road. So stay tuned to see which trucks really stand at the top of the hierarchy of survival. Coming in at number 2, the 1988 to 1998 Chevrolet C/K 1500. This series represents the absolute peak of the classic American pickup, a time before electronics completely took over the driving experience. When you look at the design philosophy behind this truck, you see a masterclass in functional engineering. It utilized the legendary small block V8 engine, specifically the 5.7-liter Vortec or the TBI setups, which are famous for running hundreds of thousands of miles with nothing more than basic oil changes and common sense maintenance. Today, you are paying a premium for modern trucks that are essentially rolling fragile computers that require a technician to even perform a battery swap. In contrast, this Chevy was built to be repaired by the owner, giving you total control over the vehicle's lifespan.
The chassis was designed for heavy-duty endurance, using thick-gauge steel that resists the kind of structural fatigue seen in today's lightweight, eco-conscious frames. These trucks carry a sense of mechanical honesty that you just cannot find in 2026, where every single component is optimized for the manufacturer's profit margin rather than the owner's peace of mind. Every time you turn the key, you are greeted by a machine that works for you, not one that waits for a sensor to give it permission to start. If you are fed up with the modern reality of disposable vehicles that cost a fortune to maintain, you owe it to yourself to understand why this specific era of Chevrolet is considered the gold standard of reliability. We are now down to the final spot, the absolute titan of mechanical longevity that puts every new pickup to shame. Do not go anywhere, because number 1 is the truck that is literally built for the end of the world. Coming in at number 1, the 1994 to 1998 Dodge Ram 2500. This is not just a truck, it is the ultimate fortress of mechanical engineering and the undisputed king of long-term reliability. At its heart beats the legendary 12-valve Cummins diesel engine, a powerhouse that is famous for outliving almost every other component on the road. Unlike the modern trucks of 2026, which are crippled by complex emission systems, millions of lines of proprietary code, and sensors that cause a total breakdown for a minor electrical glitch, this truck operates on pure, raw mechanical genius. The P7100 mechanical fuel pump is the stuff of legend, allowing this machine to run without needing an engine computer to tell it what to do. While current manufacturers are obsessed with packing luxury features and fragile electronics into every corner of the vehicle, this Ram was built with one goal: to work until the day you die. The frame is a heavy-duty masterpiece of American steel, devoid of the weight-saving plastics and flimsy alloys that make modern trucks feel like toys. This is the last true heavy-duty pickup you can actually trust to start, work, and survive, regardless of the conditions. When the grid collapses or the modern tech gives out, this is the machine that will still be moving. It represents the final era of real trucks before the industry turned them into expensive, disposable gadgets. If you want to stop being a victim of the modern automotive industry, you need to drive one of these. Now that you have seen the 7 trucks that truly own the road, check out the link in the description to see my full guide on how to find the cleanest examples left. The truth is clear. We have traded legendary mechanical soul for disposable digital complication. Driving a 2026 truck is a gamble, while these older rigs are an investment in real freedom. If you are tired of watching your hard-earned money fail at the first sign of a sensor error, it is time to choose durability over hype. If you value machines built for the long haul, hit that like button and subscribe. Join us and let us keep the spirit of real trucks alive together.